Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will try to install BlissOS. Well, why would I install BlissOS on a 14-year-old laptop? Well, because today marks the first anniversary of my YouTube channel. The first year since this YouTube channel was founded. Thank you for all the subscribers and viewers for seeing these videos. Even though I may consider them kind of bad. Now, here we have the disk containing BlissOS. I have like lots of USB drives. Why don't I just use it for Bliss? Now what's BlissOS, you may ask? It's basically Android 86, but more modern. Now, since this computer can run Android 86, as shown in that Android 86 review, I'm going to run this, put this disk here, and run BlissOS. Because I don't want to reuse Android 86 because it would just be a content farm. So while we do this, let's get started. The reason why this is showing up, it was because of Windows 11. I'll be right back when the installer shows up. Okay, so we're here. It says live CD, run BlissOS without installation, PC mode, Intel with FFmpeg installation. Install BlissOS to hard disk and VM. So let's go and select installation. Install BlissOS to hard disk. We're installing it on real hardware. It's doing stuff. It's Android 86, obviously. And have a truly blissful experience. There it is. Here's the Windows 11 drives that didn't bother installing. So let's create and modify partitions. Yes. What? To set up without redirect the CFDisk program, and rather if you prefer to use the CDisk program as intended. CGDisk is exclusively for GPT disks, while CFDisk can handle both MBR and GPT. This is merely a preference. If you wish to redirect the CGDisk instead, select yes to switch to CGDisk, no to remain CFDisk. Okay, I'm gonna just try CFDisk. Because this is a BIOS computer. Anyways, we're here. Let's delete them. Delete. New. Partition size. Primary. And right. Yes. And so let's quit. Oh my god, this camera sucks. I don't know. Sorry about that. No, I don't know if you can see it, but I would have press quit. We're starting the installer. There we go. Why is it NTFS? Wait, did I modify it to change it to, or... No, it's using the Linux file system. I'm not sure why it's showing. I'm not sure why it's showing NTFS there, but whatever. Let's click OK. But it tells us to reformat anyway. Thanks. We're gonna reformat it to AXD4, which is what most Linux distros use, and also Android. Now, I'd like to customize the formatted drive name. So yeah, we'll keep in that. You just format SDA1 to AXD4. The format process will start immediately. All that is the partition is lost. You meet up on the Windows 11 partition that you know does nothing, so that cannot even boot. That's why you use Rufus. So we just click yes. Okay, there we go. You're making some noises, though we get partitioning the drive. It's an old hard disk after all. I'm not gonna use it until it dies. Now, I'll be right back. I'll be doing a time skip when this finishes the format. I'll be right back. Now it says preparing install for ODA updates. I think it would be good to keep this up to date. Comma. There we go, it's finished. BlissOS 16.9.7 is installed successfully. And it says run BlissOS or reboot. Yeah, let's run BlissOS. Check out the USB. Okay. My stupid face is showing right now. I really hate glossy screens. There we go, we have it. BlissOS default with FFmpeg, PC mode, and BlissOS with FFmpeg. Well, I'm not sure what's the difference between all this. We'll just get the one with FFmpeg. And now it's loading it. If it takes... Okay. Have a truly blissful experience. Hope so. So it's basically Android 86, but verbose? Okay, because it's verbose here. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how long it will take to boot. If no, we could try the default one in the PC mode. Okay, no, it decided to go. Look, I have a truly blissful experience. It's the same message. Okay, I'll do a little time skip when it takes to boot. Because I have the attention spam of a goldfish, and usually this takes super long to load. I'm just gonna do a time skip. There we go, we got the boot splash screen, which is also the Plymouth, if you're a Linux user. So, as it boots right ahead, I want to see what the setup is. And while it boots up, let me tell you something about how you can get it. You can get it from the SourceForge repo, and there are 3 methods. Number 1 is the vanilla version, which is completely de-Googled. Second one is the G-apps, which includes the Google Play Store. And then number 3 is, the FOSS version, which only includes FOSS stuff, free and open source software. And currently, it's going to boot. Yay. Let's hope it does not do a kernel panic, like at all. Or because it's booting so long, because it's its first setup of, this operating system. So, technically I now have an Android laptop. Anyways, I'm doing a little time skip. Or, no, I guess the screen turned dark. Okay, not sure if I should do a time skip or not. I'm still debating myself. Yeah, I should. Okay, no, actually. Welcome to Bliss. Hi there, English United States. Yeah, we're gonna keep English. The mouse was kind of clang weird. Anyway, clunk. Okay, we'll say clunky. Yeah, it's clunky. Anyway, start. Connect to Wi-Fi. Select the network. Okay, I'm gonna censor the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna do a little time skip on me connected to the Wi-Fi. As gonna censor these things, because I don't want anyone to know my Wi-Fi network, or anyone else's Wi-Fi network for that matter. Getting your tablet ready. This is not a tablet, it's a laptop. Okay, anyway. It's taking a while. I downloaded the G-apps version so that I could get full Google Play services, the Google stuff. And also because I hate my privacy. And I guess also I totally hate privacy. Wait, this is actually just a joke. Now we will just spin it there for a while, and we have a lot of stuff getting here. Wait, I'm sure this goes to the... Yeah, usually in some cases vanilla is better because you don't have to do all this Google stuff, but... What? It has a bar it has the gesture navigation bar? What? This is absolutely crazy. On Android 86, you get like a taskbar or the choice to have the 3-button navigation. Okay. I'll be right back. Just after this, was it and the camera doing again really weird things, which I can't, Okay, copy apps and data. Don't copy. I'm probably gonna erase you in the next video. Checking info. Okay, what info? My Google account, or like my location, my address? Well, what do you want to check for? What hardware is this running? Because I'm telling you, it's not a tablet. Okay, okay, sign in. Okay, I'm gonna sign in my Google account. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It says now getting accounted for. So it's now getting accounted for this thing. You were probably looking at why were you searching why were you searching DuckDuckGo on your search engine, bro, or something like that. My mom don't know. I don't know what account. Okay, I can't think. Yeah, I just like making jokes about Google because I don't really like this company. That's really not. That's really not my. Yeah, I mean, it's basically integrated on almost any device, and most people just like using Chrome. I don't blame them, but I don't blame them at all because this thing is everywhere, absolutely everywhere you go. You just see Google. So I'm just gonna do a little time skip until this finishes because this takes a long time. Okay, I'll be right back. It says access your assistant with Hey Google. So you want the Google Assistant to hear my obnoxious voice. Okay. So we have. Let's get out of group. Let's skip this because I don't want to. I'm lazy. Access your assistant without unlocking your device. Skip. Pay faster, Google Pay. Oh yes. I know, I should use this computer to take it out everywhere I go and pay with it. What a good idea. Okay, anything else? Change out the text displays. Control info on lock screen. No thanks, I'm not changing anything. Can we go to the home screen, please? Select the home app, taskbar, launcher, or smart dock. I'll go with the taskbar, I guess, always. Because I want to know also what Android version this is running. So we're just gonna click on this, click the always, permission needed. Taskbar requires permission to draw over other apps before it can start. Please grant permission and ensure that permit drawing over apps is enabled. Fine, okay, Bliss. Okay, let's look for the taskbar and allow it. Okay, here we are. The taskbar. Why? And it looks weird because we have the gesture navigations and it looks more like a tablet. So let's go to the settings and see what Android version it's even running. Oh, it looks like it runs like a desktop. So technically like Chrome OS. Okay. Enough joking around. Let's see what's my Android version before we do something stupid. Let's go to about tablet. Okay. We're on Android 13. Let's get the Easter egg. Ow. Okay, let's do the Easter egg. Every time when I get a new Android version, I gotta see the Easter egg. I'm sure for 13 was like this. Wow. And just like that, it's gone. Bliss version. Well, this has also. Does this even also has an Easter? Oh, okay. I actually went to my Google account. This is me being impatient. Okay. Gonna have to censor that in the editing. Anyway, Bliss version. Nothing. Okay. Nice. Okay. I've heard there was like a thing called BlissOS. Yeah, BlissOS your device. So let's do that. We have our BlissOS. Okay. I usually use okay, we have a few stuff here. So closed it accidentally. Okay, let's do wallpaper and okay, BlissOS. Let's see animations. Power menu animation, USB, fly 3D. What happens when I press the power button? Oh, it goes just like that. Animation style. Flip and rotate. Flip. I gotta choose that one. Okay, let's see. What other customizable options we have? Top. That's this. Yeah, it just goes like top. Okay. So nice. You got some nice power animations. Oh, this looks funny. I like it. Now, this is nice. I like I like this so much. Now, do the function keys work? Let's use the function keys for the volume. Let's see if it changes the volume. No, stupid camera. Now we're just gonna try again. If when I manage to set this correctly. So let's press the function keys. And why don't you look at that? It works. The function keys work and you can change the volume. Just like on Android. How good is that? Okay, now we're gonna try to see what else we got. Lock screen. Okay. Set a ripple effect to unlock with fingerprint. I don't have a fingerprint reader on this laptop, so no thanks. Lock screen charging info. Sure, charging voltage. Okay, temperature unit. Celsius. Okay, good to stop doing the trackpad gesture. Okay, D2S on lock screen, double tap the flick of the button. Okay, shortcut area on the lock screen to put your device to sleep. Cool. Media cover art. Display media cover art when available. So when you listen to music, you'll put the album as your wallpaper. Cool. Lock screen setup style. Lock screen default style. Okay. Okay, I don't need you adding my contacts, Google. And okay, and finish setting up. Just a few more steps. No. Can I remove that? Always these Android devices. I'm just gonna do that. Thank you. Now we'll just see and then also install some apps to see how well they work on a laptop that runs Android. Okay, notifications. Okay, so we have wallpaper on call waiting, which is stupid because I'm not gonna use this for calls. Like, I can't shake a giant laptop and call everyone with it. It's not sane. Okay, blink flashlight for incoming. Fill a call. Vibrate on disconnect and ignore DND. Okay, next we got the power menu. Status bar. Okay, we can change the status bar. Thank you. Battery style. Yeah, we don't have a battery because this computer has no battery. Came without a battery. And batteries for this laptop are rare. So, can I put a custom one? Display 4G icon instead of LTE. Okay, these are just normal stuff about status bar. Themes. Monet icon pack. They have an icon pack. Okay, just like Lineage. Okay. I'll select this. I'll select Sam. Sam. Okay, it changed the icon pack of the status bar to Sam. Okay. Wi-Fi icon style. Okay, we have it. Weed. Dora. Okay. There's something crazy going on along here. Inside. Wavy. Xperia. There was like lots of one of them. Let's put this one. Because it's funny. Did not even change it. Do I have to restart it? I'm too lazy to do that now. Okay. Navbar style. Okay, I can change the navbar. Okay. Android. Okay, I'll do the Android one. Yeah. There we go. I like this so far. You can literally customize it however you want to. Okay, and miscellaneous. Quick settings. There's reconfiguration. Okay, Netflix spoofs. We're another model for Netflix. Yeah, I guess that's good. Anyway, but I don't watch Netflix. Okay, so back here on the desktop, let's download some apps. Kernel Sue. So yeah, yeah, it comes rooted. Okay, so I'm just gonna install some apps that I can find, and it comes with Termux 2 pre-installed. Wow, you do not see an Android phone like that any day of the week. So we're just gonna go to the Play Store and download a few apps and make sure to see if they work properly on a computer. Let's go this. Over here now, I'm on the Play Store. Yes. There's a lot of slop on the Play Store. Like Block Blast. Ugh, disgusting. Anyway, we have Duolingo. Okay. Yeah, that'll be that little language lab you actually learn nothing from. Anyway, let's search for some apps. First we get a browser. Because this does not have a browser. And I don't want to use Google, okay? I do not like Google. And I still ask myself why I got Google Play services. Anyway, so we're gonna try to get Firefox on this thing, or Brave. Let's do Brave. It's supported on 86. There it is, Brave. Install it. Brave is the fastest. It's pretty fast and has the ad blocker. Firefox is also a good option if you want something not Chromium based. And Chrome. Okay, I'm resisting to laugh here, but I'm not taking Chrome because why doesn't even the mobile port has extensions in the big 25? Come on, man. Like most browsers on mobile do not have extensions in the big 25. Firefox is probably one of the only ones that does, and even Microsoft Edge has made extensions. Come on, Chrome. You can't be losing to Microsoft Edge out of all browsers. Anyway, I'll be right back, also getting some more apps. Like, this will be my first time even trying out TikTok as an app. TikTok. And you know me, I do not use TikTok, and I'll never make a TikTok account. Never do anything TikTok related. But we're doing it just for the video if you wanna doom scroll on a laptop. Or Instagram. If you want to. I'm not even gonna try an Instagram. Now we're gonna do a few more, like the app that is obsessed with politics, and we'll see how well they run on BlissOS. I'll be right back. While installing the apps, I reverted back to the Android style launcher because the taskbar launcher is pretty broken. It's set, but it has this nice message over here. Welcome to Bliss. Have a great day. Thank you for choosing us. We love you. 3000. Loving us? Send us a beer. Tap here to begin. Good morning. Time to rock. So they check the weather just in case. It's a nice. Have a nice day. Life is good. Let's get this done. Good luck today. And other nice messages. Thank you, Android Custom ROM. You also have Google News over here, which is about Romania. Wow, they know where I live. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm downloading Angry Birds 2 because I can't find the original for some reason. I'll cut back to when, the actual apps are installed. So, I'll be right back. Okay, so all the apps are installed. The reason why I chose PVC Heroes was because I did not find the original on the Play Store, so we're stuck with that. So, here I have all the apps that I'm ready to test out. So, let's get started with, Brave, which is, a browser. Okay, what's going on? Why is Brave like this? Hello? What is going on with Brave? Is the rotation on? Oh, the auto rotate is on. Let's turn it off. Nice animation there. The Brave does not want to work. Okay, do I get Firefox instead? Just select as a default app. Yeah, we're getting out of Brave. Help. My screen is now sideways. Help. My screen is sideways. Can I do the auto rotate on, please? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my, get out. Get out. Okay. For some reason, Brave managed to screw up my display. Thank you, Brave. Now I'm gonna try to, rotate it like this, I guess. There we go. Okay, we have our, cursed tablet. We already have our browser. Full grease, it says. So it's probably full grease browser, I'm sure. Okay. Yeah, it does not want to rotate. I'm just gonna restart it because it's kind of weird staying like this. I'll be right back. Okay, so after I restarted it to try to fix the orientation, it started being stuck on the Plymouth. Well, did it panic? No, it did not. We're just taking so long to boot. because I've been waiting on this screen for like 30 minutes. So I think that's all for the review. So what do I have to say about BlissOS? Well, after trying only Brave and other apps, I didn't even got to try out their performance. But if I had to give my honest opinion on BlissOS, it is alright, I guess. It's not better than Android 86 in my opinion, but it still is something. It still is a good ROM that's pretty customizable, but one mistake will lead it to it being stuck while booting. Wonderful. Anyways, that's all for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Goodbye.